Consumer choice with composite goods. Overview of how economic incentives like coupons, subsidies, and interest rates influence consumer behaviors. Coupon, Coupons and cash subsidies. Coupons reduce the effective price of a good. Cash subsidy increase consumer purchasing power but shift the budget constraint outward. Coupons and cash subsidies lower price or increase purchasing power leading to higher demand and changes in consumer choice. So, ang coupons and cash subsidy is reduce the effective price of goods. Grab's utility and demand with subsidies. Visual representation of how consumer utility or demand change with different price level and subsidies. So, ang utility and demand graphs show how lower prices or subsidies increase utility and shift demand curve rightward. Consumer response to price change. Elasticity of demand and consumer preference determine how consumer react to price change and subsidies. So, price change consumer responds more to price change when demand is elastic and aligned with their preferences. Impact on decision making. Coupons and subsidies alter opportunity costs and influence substitution and income effects, changing consumer choice. So, decision making impact. Coupons and subsidies make goods more attractive, influencing what and how much consumer buys. Graphical and analysis. Graph showing rightward shift and demand curve with subsidies emphasize equilibrium's change and quantity demanded. It visualize represent increased quantity demanded as price decreases. Borrowing and lending context. Interest rates represent the price of present versus future consumption. Incentive influence intertemporal choices. So, ang borrowing and lending, economic incentive like interest rates affect whether consumer choose to save or borrow. Graph interest rate and behavior. Graph illustrate how change in interest rates affect borrowing and lending behavior. So, interest rates graphs show how change in rates impact saving versus borrowing decision. Quantity discount and borrowing. Lower interest rates for larger loan act like quantity discount, encouraging more borrowing. Quantity discount, lower interest rates reduce borrowing cost, encouraging more borrowing. So, kung gamay daw ang iyang ang interest rates niya kay reduce, mas mo reduce pod ang borrowing cost, encouraging more borrowing. So, mas maka-encourage day siya nga mas daghan ang makuan sa iya mo borrow. Effect of interest rates change. Higher interest rates decrease loan demand, lower rates increase it reflect consumer time preference. So, interest rates affect change in interest rates shape consumer behavior and loan demand. Planning and decision making example. Creating a saving plan requires understanding consumer preferences, financial goals, and incentive effects. So, financial planning importance. Understanding this principle helps make smarter saving, spending, and borrowing decision. So, importance of economic principles. Grasping this principle is key for effective financial planning, policy making, and consumer strategy. So, ang importance of economics principle, muli to siya tong para maka-understand ta sa thesis principles helps make smarter saving, spending, and borrowing decision. So, dapat na kay advanced thinking to para mas dali ang imuhang paglambo or pagdako sa pag improve sa imong company. So maura to